The Flatlay marketplace has integrated with the blockchain to become the premier token-based affiliate network connecting creators, brands, and publishers across the globe. Currently, influencer marketing is one of the fastest growing advertisement segments. In fact, millions of posts are already shared daily, leaving billions of dollars in unmonetized content on the platform. The Flatlay marketplace and Creditcoin provides brands with an integrated workflow management and payment system. This allows brands and publishers to seamlessly integrate products into a global network, eliminating many issues associated with cross-border payments and multi-channel content tracking. Creditcoin offers a complementary platform to all existing content marketing networks, providing an e-commerce performance-based model that allows users to shop everywhere, whether on or offline. Creditcoin is positioned as the token for standardization and transparency across the growing ecosystem of influencers and social channels, which need a standard of payment within the worldwide influencer market. Flatlay leverages the blockchain and smart contract system in their patent-pending verification protocol to safeguard original creators from duplication or fraudulent use of content. Visit cointoken.io to learn more about Flatlay and Creditcoin.